Hi. Our purpose is to educate you to buy quality products. Let's start. Silverray 3 for home sanitizer.
Specs. Number 1, chemical-free. No salts, preservatives, and alcohol. Number 2. Safe for kids, pets, and animals. Number 3. Kill all the harmful microbes.
You might think that you're able to keep the germs away. But guess what? You're always exposed to a new horde of germs. Are you doing your best to prevent harmful germs from invading your body? You go out and get cleaners with chemicals, but that's not safe. Don't you want to keep your surroundings truly clean and safe? We're here to offer you a perfect solution. Make your own one-step chemical-free sanitizer with Silverray 3. No salt, additives, or electrolysis required. Just add filtered water and wait for 10 short minutes. The magnesium wand then increases the alkalinity to create an all-natural sanitizing liquid. The silver mesh foam combines with regular filtered water to make ionized water. Simply spray it. Sanitize the germs on the beds. Great for carpets, couches, and even your pet's favorite toy. It can remove pet urine odors. Get rid of all that musky smell in the bathroom and have your kitchen smelling fresh. Use before you leave or enter the house. So compact you won't even feel it in your bag. Use it to sterilize anytime, anywhere. Absolutely no chemicals in this little guy, but it still wipes out 650 different kinds of bacteria. Even the most sensitive germaphobes will be satisfied with this third-party certified sanitizer. Chemical-free, alcohol-free, silver ion sanitizer. Spread the word, not germs.
SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher.
Number 1. Control your SwitchBot remotely from anywhere and enable voice control. Number 2. Easy to set up, 5-second installation. Number 3. Without phone or hub. Turn lights or home appliances on, off automatically even when you're away.
Introducing the SwitchBot. Now you can control any switch remotely from your smartphone, smartwatch, or the internet. Turning on your bedside lamp has never been so easy. Get your morning coffee self-served. Never miss your favorite TV show. Remotely turn on or off your computer whenever you need it. Feed your lovely pet while you're away at the touch of a smartphone button. With the SwitchBot, everything is done using one single, simple click. Enjoy more time curled up in bed and let the SwitchBot do your busy work. SwitchBot is equipped with a 3M VHB tape. Just tape it and you're done. No additional tools required. The SwitchBot works with your smartphone or your smartwatch. No need to worry about multiple bots. Our smartphone app can handle every bot at once. Thanks to our patent-pending design, the SwitchBot can relay commands to multiple bots, even when your smartphone is out of Bluetooth range. SwitchHub, it enables the SwitchBot to connect with the internet. No hassle, no mess, for greater convenience and streamlined functionality. It takes one switch to do everything and make your life that much easier. SwitchBot supports any IFTTT event that gives you freedom to set your own custom rules. Get complete wireless control of all your outlets and switches. The SwitchBot is always at your service. Keep everything under your own control with the SwitchBot and make your life that much easier, better, smarter.
Yeti Cordless Iron.
Number 1. Heat insulation sleeve to prevent burns. Number 2. The overheating system is automatically powered off and safe to use. Number 3. Innovative wireless design. 30 seconds of rapid thermal conduction and strong high temperature.
Tilts Blinds Automation Kit.
Specs. Number 1. Harnesses the energy from the sun to keep the battery charged. Number 2. Voice activated. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant.
Tilts automation kits for blinds transform your existing blinds into smart window coverings, giving you access to complete automation of temperature, lighting, and privacy settings. Simply remove your window coverings and install the included hardware, no tools necessary. Then, use the smartphone app to set repeating schedules and enable energy savings mode. The temperature sensors inside the tilt motor will trigger opening and closing of your window coverings to heat and cool your home. Plus, solar charging, voice control, and so much more. Order the automation kit for your existing window coverings today, or check out custom fit My Smart Blinds and My Smart Roller Shades. Tilt. Simple. Solar. Smart.
ZenWiFi AC Whole Home Tri-Band Mesh System.
Specs. Parental controls, URL filter and scheduling allow you to protect your family from inappropriate content, always up-to-date protection, the lifetime free network security, hassle-free control, 3 steps setup and easy management.
This is the new ASUS Zen WiFi and I'm John. Today we're going to unbox the Zen WiFi and show you how easy it is to set up. ASUS Zen WiFi is the latest mesh Wi-Fi system. It blankets your home with seamless Wi-Fi, is painless to set up, and the modern aesthetics fit with any style. I have a box of Zen Wi-Fi with me today. As you can see, it's the mesh Wi-Fi system and comes with 2 packs. Let's take a look inside. There's 2 Zen Wi-Fi routers and 2 power cables, an Ethernet cord. It doesn't matter if you own a set of Zen Wi-Fi AX or Zen Wi-Fi AC. With the ASUS router app in your phone, these are all you need for setup. So let's get started. Place your Zen Wi-Fi routers about 2 meters apart from each other. Plug in power for both routers and turn them on. Then choose one of them to connect your modem and the WAN port of Zen Wi-Fi with an Ethernet cord. When both the routers' lights turn blue, you're ready to go. Install the ASUS router app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. After it's downloaded, turn on the Bluetooth and open the app. Press the big setup button and then choose the Zen Wi-Fi series routers. Once your routers are found, touch them to connect. Then press Get Started to create your network. Fill in your name and password for your Wi-Fi network and admin account. Press Apply and wait for 3 minutes. And voila, your Wi-Fi system is all set. There's no additional setup necessary for another router. Once the lights on your router stop pulsing and turn to solid white, you're free to unplug the node and place it anywhere you may have dead spots. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your Wi-Fi.
Ygritte Sterilization Deodorization.
Save time, money, and space. Remove pesticides ability. Sterilizing and deodorizing.
You have a full house, which means you have to constantly keep it clean. Easier said than done. Why spend so much time and money on multiple cleaning products when the ideal cleaner is already here? Introducing Ygritte, the next generation all-in-one sterilizer. All you need for it to work is tap water and a tablespoon of salt. Ygritte's technology has the ability to sterilize and deodorize items by electrolyzing the water within. When mixed with table salt, the process creates hypochlorous acid and OH radicals, which then can be used to kill germs and remove bad odors from your daily life. The steps are simple. Add water, add salt, then electrolyze. After 60 seconds of preparation, it's ready to use. And it can be used to clean just about anything. Spray down items in your kitchen, like appliances, silverware, cups, and plates. Get rid of bad odors in the bathroom. Use it to sterilize your tub or other areas that may really need it. Spray down your furniture or other decor around the home, or even your carpet. It's even safe to use on more delicate items like dog toys or baby products. It's a great item to have. Because even after hard work, using the Ygritte is a perfect way to freshen up. Whether you use it on your clothes or even your shoes. Ygritte's not just for the house either. There's no bothersome fumes, so it's safe to use outside or in your car. It's even safe for your fruits and vegetables. Spray or soak your fruits in the electrolyzed water to remove any harmful pesticides or germs. Then simply rinse them off with water and enjoy. Because it sprays a natural cleaning agent, Ygritte won't change the taste or appearance of your food. Ygritte provides the all-in-one cleaning device that not only gives you a non-toxic way to sterilize your home, but also saves you money in the hassle of buying multiple products. So, if you'd like to clean your home with a safe and natural solution, back us today and receive your very own Ygritte.
All new Ring Video Doorbell.
Specs. Powered by the rechargeable battery pack or connects to doorbell wires for constant power, 1080p HD video doorbell with enhanced features. Monitor your home from anywhere.
Hey!
Hey, is Rachel home?
Sorry, wrong house. Hey, get out of here.
Causes Smart Light Switch by TPLink.
Peace of mind with quality and design. Control from anywhere. Turn electronics on or off from anywhere with your smartphone. Full lighting solution. Replace standard switches with the smart Wi-Fi light switch.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
to buy, click on the links in description. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe to our channel to be updated.